When you install Windows 11, Microsoft turns on a bunch of settings you never agreed to. Telemetry, ad tracking, location, diagnostic data, activity history. It's all on by default and most people have no idea. Today I'm fixing all of that for free, your operating system, your DNS, and your browser. Watch till the end because the last fix is the most important one. Drop a like down below, it means a lot. And now let's start with Windows itself. Here, let's open Windows settings and search for telemetry. And now you can pretty much see that there's a bunch of settings which we need to go through. Now, I could go through every single privacy setting in Windows manually, but honestly, that would take forever and you would probably miss something. So instead, I'm using a free app called WinToys. So you can install it by going here to the Microsoft Store and here on top, make sure that you search for WinToys. This is a really cool app which lets you optimize Windows, and once you have it installed, click on open and then here click on yes. Now here inside this app, you will find the app section where you can pretty much uninstall any unwanted apps. Then under the services, there's a really cool filter option where you can filter them by useless. Now, if you select the useless, you can see pretty much here that there's a lot of the apps which we can also pretty much remove from my computer or even stop. And there's the performance tab, health tab, and also tweaks. Now, inside the tweaks, there's where we need to pretty much change the advertising options and the privacy ones as well. So first, let's go here to the privacy where you can see pretty much that there's a ton of the options turned on. For example, here we have location. Let's also turn off the telemetry. Customer Experience Improvement Program, let's turn it off as well. Apps Telemetry, Apps Launches Tracking, turn this off as well. Improve Inking and Typing, turn it off. Personalize Inking and Typing off. Error Reporting, Camera on the lock screen, Camera on-off indicator, and Online Speech Recognition. Now, here down below, you will also find a few more. For example, under the ads, you will find a few more like the tailored experiences, advertising ID. So make sure that you pretty much turn every single setting here to off like this. And then here you can also go to the system and change a few settings here. For example, I highly recommend that you enable this option and task. And whenever your application isn't responding, you can just right click here and you will find this end task option. So you don't have to go to the task manager and end it from there. Now, once you've pretty much done that, you will have to here restart your computer. So make sure that you do so. And now here, if I go to WinToys, let's see if pretty much everything stayed here turned off. So ads should be turned off. And then here for the privacy as well, you can see that every single thing here is turned off. And now we can also go here to the Windows settings. We can search here for telemetry like this. And then here on top, you'll find change Windows feedback frequency, which is set to automatically recommended. You want to turn this to never. And then here on top, you can pretty much see that everything here is set to off, like diagnostic data, improve inking and typing, tailored experiences, view diagnostic data, and you can even delete your diagnostic data from here. So here I recommend that you click on delete and it will remove it from your computer. Now, if I go here to the privacy and security under the location, you can also see that the location services are pretty much turned off right now. And now here, if I go under the privacy and security, if we go here to the general, you can see that this setting is still turned off. Let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. So this is pretty much good. And you can also turn off the other toggles here to off pretty much. Now we can continue here with a DNS. And basically, what is a DNS? Pretty much every time you type a website address, your PC sends a request to a DNS server to find out where that website actually lives. Now, by default, Windows uses your internet provider's DNS, and your internet provider can see every single website you visit. Now, there's a solution to that, and that is CludFlare's 1.1.1.1. And you can also access it here on this website. I will put this link in the video description down below. And this is how you guys can pretty much set it up on Windows 11. And you can also do the same for Windows 10 as well. So pretty much let me show you how to do that. You can go here to the Windows settings and you can search here for DNS on top. Now here inside Windows settings, you will find DNS server assignment. Make sure that you click on edit and change this to manual. and turn on here IPv4. And for the preferred DNS here, you will copy, for example, this first or ones like this. And then for the alternative one, you will copy 1.0.0.1 and paste it here under the alternate DNS. Now we can also go here to the IPv6, and you will also find here the 7th and the 8th option for that. So right now you will have to copy this first one for the IPv6, paste it inside here, so preferred DNS, and then here copy the next one as the alternate DNS and paste it right here. And now we can click here on save. And now we should also have here the manual DNS. As you can see here, IPv4 DNS servers. And for the IPv6, we also have here the same thing as well. And that is pretty much it. As you can see, we successfully set here the DNS. And now we can go here to Google and search for what is my DNS. So now we can go here to this third website, what is my DNS server? And you can click here to press to check your DNS servers. Now let's just wait for a few seconds. And here we can pretty much see that I have here country and the ISP where it says CludFlare net. So this is way more secure than your default DNS from your internet provider. The last thing which I want to talk about for the privacy on Windows is a browser which you use. Now, here on my desktop, I have, as you can see, 3 browsers which I highly recommend to any privacy-focused user. Now, my favorite one here is Helium. Of course, this one is really good one, Chromium-based, and it's also open source. It has uBlock Origin extension, as you can see here. And now here, if I go to the privacy and security settings under the Helium services, you can see that it has a few of the Helium specific services which I quite like. For example, here we have the first one. When enabled, Helium will be able to connect to anonymous web services to provide additional functionality. When disabled, additional features will not work. That is pretty much really good. And here down below you can see that it has automatic updates for the uBlock Origin, also enabled by default. So this is one of the browsers which I highly recommend for the privacy focused user. Now the next one is here Tor browser. This one is also private and it's Firefox based. But unfortunately, because it's so private and it also has some anonymity features as well, it is also quite slow. As you can see, you will have to here, for example, enable the connection, and you can see Tor browser routes your traffic over the Tor network run by thousands of volunteers around the world. So we can see that it's a bit slow here, for example. But overall, it's a very good browser if you are privacy focused. So for example, by default here, it uses DuckDuckGo search engine. Let's search, for example, for YouTube here. Let's see how long it will take to load. You can see that it's a bit long to load, but this is very private browser, the most private among all of these 3, which I highly recommend. And then the last one here is Brave. Of course, many of you probably also already know the Brave browser, but in my opinion, the Helium browser is the way to go for everyday use. So yeah, that is pretty much it, how you guys can also make your Windows 11 operating system more private by here turning off these settings like advertising ID and many others. And then here down below, we also have telemetry and location tracking turned off. And all this can be done by using this app called WinToys, so you don't have to go inside Windows settings. Now, we also enabled here CludFlare DNS, pretty much 1.1.1. You can see here IPv4 as well as IPv6. And for a daily use, I highly recommend here Helium browser. And for special occasions, if you really need privacy, I would use Tor browser. Now, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I will put every single tool I mentioned in today's video linked below in the video description. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like down below as well. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will talk to you in the next one.